And so that way she knows what's going on with her dad.
Can you call? Can you get on the phone?
They talk to them.
Okay. Do you have service?
Yes, I do, man.
Okay. What's your phone or the thing?
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you please take this up for me?
This. You want your hair up?
Yeah, leave it down. But can you zip it up?
Zip it up? Yeah. Well, fine.
I just don't want to go there, you know?
Yep. No, you're.
Because of a single dark-tinted windshield, two twin sisters ended up spending their spring break inside a jail car. But things didn't stop at a simple traffic violation. The moment the officer approached the silver Toyota, he immediately caught a strong smell of marijuana pouring out from inside. And within minutes, one illegal item after another surfaced, from the driver's purse to the pockets of the twin sister and even the back seat where a 14-year-old child was sitting. What was supposed to be a fun beach day quickly turned into a double arrest right on the roadside.
I'm stopping you is because your windshield's tinted, okay? 2, when you pass by me, the odor of marijuana just hit me in the face, okay? Is there any weed or anything like that in the car?
I got my cousins in here. I got my little cousins in here, so there's really nothing in the car, but my car smells like that,
Yeah, it smells like weed, man.
Yeah.
So, okay. Do you have license, registration, insurance for you? Does anybody else in here have IDs on them?
Oh, that's kids. You know,
How old are you? Do you have an ID, though? Yeah. Can I get it?
I think everything is right. I'll start with my ID.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Is there any marijuana, hemp, low concentration THC, anything that would cause the odor to be emitting from your vehicle?
No.
Like you said it normally smells like that. Is that what you're saying?
It's just a car, yeah. It's really not.
Okay. Do you just smoke a lot, or do you commonly have weed?
I don't smoke a lot, but when I smoke, I try to do it in my car. So
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
I'm not here. This is the registration. I have the insurance on paper, but if we renew by himself, Geico, so I'm gonna go look it up in there.
You're gonna what? You gotta look on your phone?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can put that stuff away for me. And then they can get out.
Alright. I'll have both of you guys. Everybody get out and just get in the front of the car.
You get out of the car.
In the driver's wallet were found a small amount of marijuana, less than 20 grams drug paraphernalia, rolling papers, and smoking accessories. On the girl's person, pre-rolled cigarettes were found in her pants pocket in the back seat. A marijuana cigarette was located right next to the back door, exactly where the 14-year-old cousin had been sitting. After collecting all the evidence, the police proceeded to arrest the twin sisters. The driver was arrested for possession of marijuana under 20 grams, possession of drug paraphernalia. The other sister was arrested for possession of marijuana on her person, as was the 14-year-old cousin. Not arrested because she was a minor, but the police warned her and recorded the incident.
Feel. Where at? I was like, I feel it.
It's down here, down here.
Oh, okay.
I got a hole in the pocket.
Turn it on for me. I'll let you fix it here in a second. You just have the baby sheets on.
Yeah, you can check too. I'm
I don't
okay.
want to pinch you.
You're good. Be careful.
Right. Yep. Sorry, I got you. Alright. You can sit back down. You want all of them or just her?
The 14-year-old in the back had a joint or something. I don't know that it's hers, right?
Okay.
I'm not looking to try and...
Yeah. Okay. You got baby suits on? You want to lift it up for me?
Watch out.
One second, I'm gonna take him really quick.
The only thing I shouldn't have is in my pocket, which is a pen, so you can take that one.
Oh, I'm sorry. man, I stop you and then you tell me there's nothing in the car because you got your cousins in it, stuff like that. That's not the case, man.
It
Like,
wasn't. I didn't. We didn't have it in the car.
all right, turn around. Rest up back up at the front of the car. Who had the swishers?
It was in her pants.
Oh, hers? Okay, yeah. She had a bunch of pre-rolled ones, so.
Both mine. They were mine.
And then so hey, there's a joint in that back door, okay, where your 14-year-old cousin was,
Oh.
okay?
I didn't know that. Like, honestly,
Like that.
I understand.
That's the kind of business like this problem, man.
No, I'm not
okay?
gonna lie. I'm not taking risk, but I didn't.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you know she was not smoking, drug test or anything.
That's a 14-year-old girl, and she's in the army. They're good. Trust me.
She's 14. Who's in the army?
She's in the 14, and she's going to be in the army. She's
Okay.
in like her 4th year in high school.
Like you guys can go ahead. That's a little cousin. No. If you fight for anything, because that's our
Yeah,
spot.
I'm not looking to jam your. I'm not looking to jam your cousin up. Okay. Yeah. You and I, we're gonna talk to you guys, not them, right now.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So, I just gotta make a quick phone call.
Okay.
So we just hang out with them for a second. Yeah. Squire, hang out. I'm gonna ask Destiny something. Squire, come here. I just gotta ask. So, are we doing the 10-15s for possession under 20? Yeah, we are. Okay. I wasn't sure if we did 10-15s on.
I'll do it. I don't care. Or you can. It doesn't matter. I can type it up.
Give me a set of cuffs. Thank you. Turn around, put your head by the way.
Are we both? We can keep going.
What?
Take my cousin back to the
Turn around, put your head by the back.
She too?
Yep. We have a zero tolerance policy.
So what happened with the minor?
We're gonna make a phone call. So the 16-year-old has a license. Okay.
Okay, she take my car.
I'm gonna ask you. Do you want me to allow her to take your car?
For sure.
Okay. Do you want her to take your jewelry?
Oh yeah, he can talk to you.
You want her to take your jewelry?
My jewelry like this?
Like your bracelets and stuff.
Yeah, take all that stuff. Yeah, I'd rather go like that.
I'm gonna take my car.
You said you wanted it all off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take
For
my
this?
car.
Yeah, give me a second.
Here, I'll take it off.
We have a zero tolerance.
Step back a little bit. Slide right there, man.
It's okay.
Do you want your hair up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put it on my
Leave it
wrist
out, leave it
until
out, yeah.
we get your bracelets and stuff up, okay? You want your phone to go with you?
I didn't where's your phone?
My phone.
It's on the car, right behind you.
So can we leave my phone in the car too?
Yep, that's fine.
You want to take it with you?
It's up to you if you want to take it with you.
Am I gonna be able to? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I'm going to jail. I don't know if
You're
I'm
going to
there for a
go to
couple
jail.
days.
You're going to jail.
Okay, bet.
So, do you want? You can have this and then get your numbers out of it when you go. Do you want that?
I know mommy number. We know only mommy number. My grandparents. I know it.
Leave my phone, right? I don't want to lose it or anything.
Yeah, your phone.
Leave it.
One thing,
Okay.
can we make a call to her mom, and so that way she knows what's going on, or her dad,
Yeah.
either one.
can text my mom.
Can you call? Can you get it on the
We
phone?
need to
I
talk
don't
to
have
them.
any Wi-Fi right now. There's no
Okay.
Oh,
Do you have service?
Yes, I do, man.
Okay. What's your phone or the thing?
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you please zip this up for me?
This. Do you want your hair up?
Yeah, leave it down. But can you zip it up?
Zip it up.
Yes.
Yeah. Will it bind?
I just don't want to go there, you know.
Yep. No, you're good.
People have been on here for less than 50 years, so I get it.
Yeah, it's zero tolerance this whole week.
There's so many criminals.
It's okay, no worries.
You said you.
But I do want to know something. What's gonna happen, sir?
What's that?
Can you tell
we
me?
gonna stay there?
Why am I going to jail for?
You're going to jail, probably possession of marijuana under 20 grams, possession of paraphernalia, and then you'll end up probably
What is
getting
paraphernalia?
so the rolling papers or like the
Like the stuff that is used to roll like joints?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he probably has rolling papers. I don't know. I don't think you have rolling papers. So
Everything in that car is mine.
Okay. So,
Everything in that car is mine, please. It's just
It's
my phone.
unfortunately it's literally in her purse. and it has her name and stuff like that in it. So that's the reason why she's going, is because you can't take.
Why are you going to jail for it? The same thing? Are we doing the same
the
thing?
weed that's in it. Hey,
so if you see us being like this, it's because we're twins.
It's cool.
Okay?
I don't mind talking to you guys.
Okay,
But the weed
okay.
that's in the center console, this is your car, so you're responsible for the weed that's in the car.
So so the car, her purse is in my car as well.
Yes, but
And
it's
all of
clearly
that-
hers because it has all her identification.
The weed doesn't have a name. The weed doesn't have an identification. I'm the owner of the car is telling you that weed right there is mine. In the purse that's in my car.
I can add a note to the report board that you're claiming all of it. However, that way maybe the court.
Do you want it on the wrist? Okay.
She's gonna know.
It's okay. We're good. We're good.
All right, so we're gonna go to his car. That's right there, and then I'm gonna have you guys just slide over. Okay.
Hey guys, keep walking. You can't block the sidewalk.
All right. We're gonna walk.
Yeah, I guess they are. Yeah, you guys are.
Yeah, we're recording.
No, not y'all. People.
Oh, okay. Nope, you're good. We're gonna go this way. No, honey.
Let me see that way.
They can leave now after we leave, right?
Yeah, I'll get them out of here in just a second.
Yep. Can you slide so she? Yep.
Wait. Should I go in? Are you good? Yeah. Is your car cleaned out?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Sophia!
I help him up for a second.
I can help you with this, please. No, you have to do it quick. I have
Can you show adult male and adult female 10-15?
Oh, both 18.
Yeah.
No, it's just like, I don't know.
They're twins. I think they're both 18. No,
2007?
yeah, they're of 18.
Loco, yo creo que tú crees que tú vas a grabar esto para TikTok.
We can ask for it and then we can post it.
Okay, then can we say hi? I mean, how you feeling?
I feel like there's so many criminals and we are back here. When right now in this street, there's really like maybe 7 criminals, 7 real criminals, more than 7.
4 Bravo 11 and 16. It looks like it's going
Damn,
to
we
be where
going to
76-year-old male is having a seizure.
Somebody having a seizure and I'm here because of it.
11 copies.
Motherfucker, vamos a tener una foto en la cárcel.
You guys like Bad Bunny?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna.
And just like that, in less than 20 minutes, what seemed like a minor traffic violation turned into a full vehicle search and an arrest right on the roadside. The two 19-year-old twin sisters ended up turning their spring break vacation into a night in jail, all because they carried something they thought was no big deal. The 14-year-old cousin witnessed the entire incident, learning firsthand how even a single marijuana joint can change the whole trip. When you drive with illegal substances, you're not only putting yourself in trouble, you're dragging everyone in the car down with you. One careless decision can ruin a vacation, damage your record, and impact your future. Always remember, the law doesn't care whether you're young or just out having fun. One small mistake can come with a big price.
No?
Go ahead and spray up Bravo 11 and 7.
How long? We're gonna, bro, we have to wait for a judge day. It can take time.
11 is going, or did you want Bravo 11? Bravo 11. Bravo 11, you copy?
I don't have my phone, right? You left it, right?
Yeah.
You know who's gonna be with us most, right? This is bad. People in our family gonna think we're horrible. What you think?
Abuela Carmen pasa acá hoy. Y voy a fumar. Una cosa, pero ya se acabó la fumadera en el carro.
Yo no puedo creer que esto es verdad, señor Jesús. Ese recorte más feo de estos cabrones, pero son unos pequeños.
Well, we're technically not gonna be in jail, right? We're gonna be in like a...
No, we're gonna go
No,
to
you're gonna go to
jail.
jail.
Oh, jail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna be in a room with
A bunch of strangers.
a couple of them or a bunch?
A bunch.
So it's not real jail.
That's also in jail. No.
You're talking about prison and jail. Prison is different than jail.
Yeah, prison is different than jail, yes.
Prison is when they give you, when you have to...
That's when you get sentenced. Yeah, so you're just going to jail today. Just county jail.